guys, welcome back. Quick video today, real quick. Do you remember when I talked about moving my sonic blooms up? In particular, these three, 1, 2, 3, one on the left here, middle, then this one. I want to move them up and line them up with this big one. I'll start here. I'll probably move this one to this spot right about here, and I'll go all the way down. I remember when my rose bushes were struggling here, and again, it's because of the way or the location that the plant is in. This one doesn't get as much water as the one on the right does. Here's another possible issue. I see roots coming up. They should be in the ground, so this can affect the growth of the plant as well. This isn't good. So all the roots aren't in the ground. It doesn't get the water that it should, and it's against this hot brick all summer long. That's just a bad combination. I'm moving the plants up so when it rains, it can get that rain when I'm not around to water. That's why the one on the right looks so healthy, looks so full. I had to dig up the balloon flower and move it up as well. So I'm done with that one. We'll walk over to the other side, move that balloon flower up, and we'll do the same to this sonic bloom. As I was digging, I couldn't help but notice this one. I don't think I moved it up far enough, so I think I'll move it to about here. That way I know it'll get the water that it needs. So yeah, we're moving right along. Things look good. Progress is being made. We're almost at the finish line. Done and done. I know it doesn't look like much now, but believe me, when the next season begins or ends, whatever the case may be, things will be completely different. Okay, I have to move the salvia. I have to move it up. I'll line it up with that salvia. Reason is, if I don't move this, this is going to grow. The sonic bloom, of course, it should grow, and they'll be growing on top of each other, and we can't have that. So I have to do something. Have to make the necessary adjustments. You know what, folks? When I'm doing this type of stuff, I have some of the worst luck in the world. So I pulled the salvia out. Root system pretty much crumbles. It just breaks apart. I don't know why, but I have to do something. I'll keep an eye on this salvia in particular. I do know one thing. Over the years, I've cut it down, all type of stuff. It just grows back bigger and better than before. I think another factor that played a part in the lack of growth from these three sonic blooms is I cut them down. I didn't cut the very last one, the one on the right by the gutter. I cut these three, and I cut this one too much. Okay, everything's done. Put the plant support back in the ground. I'm not worried about this salvia. Not the least bit. It's not a big deal. Okay, balloon flower, done. No problem. Everything turned out well. I have high hopes. I want them all to look like this one, and we'll get there. And again, this is so on days when I don't water and it rains, it can still benefit from the rain. Trust me, it'll work out. The Graduate Season 6 has officially ended. Special shout out to my apprentice, aka you know who. Wink, wink. Thanks for all the support. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.